Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the photo quality on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. To change photo quality, you need to be in the photo mode, then click on this second button from the left on bottom edge. Now you'll have lots of different options here. Beginning with 12 megapixels 4:3, this is the aspect ratio, and there's the pixels, so you have like 4000 by 3000 pixels. You can set it to 10 megapixels, which is gonna have a lower quality but use less storage. Then 8 megapixels, and 8 megapixels can be in there in 16:9, which is wide aspect ratio, or 4:3, which is like on an old TV, on a CRT TV. Then 5 megapixels, 3 megapixels, or 2 megapixels. Select whichever one you want and then feel free to take photos. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.